Here's another scene from my model railroad layout. We have an auto parts store here on the end with delivery of items for the store being unloaded on from this truck. Around the corner from the auto parts store is a pastry shop. We got a hobby shop and a dress shop. Benches with landscaping flowers by these cobblestones. And right here we have a telephone lineman working on the line. Customers' cars, and there's a man getting out of a Cadillac Bustleback and getting out with the door open. And this is by the railroad crossing. And we have some rail cars sitting here waiting to be picked up by a locomotive. Another scene from my model railroad. Thanks for looking.